Hey guys, it's Danny here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it is a pleasure to join you. In this video, we're going to do a question from the November 2018 Grade 12 Physical Sciences Paper 2. This question deals with the conditions in a system in dynamic equilibrium. A system in dynamic equilibrium is a reversible reaction in which both the forward and the reverse reaction are continually occurring at the same rate. The question asks which statement is true for a system in dynamic equilibrium, so let's take a look at our options. For the forward reaction to be occurring, the reactants cannot be used up, so that means that statement A is not true. Statement B says that the forward and reverse reactions are equal. This cannot be true either, since the forward reaction is by nature different from the reverse reaction, as they involve different reactants and products. The third option, C, states that all substances in the reaction are of equal concentration. This isn't in general true because the concentration is related to the number of moles of a substance present in the reaction, which is not always equal for all substances. Option D states that the concentration of the reactants and products remain constant. So option D is the true statement. Since both of the reactions are continually occurring and they proceed at the same rate, the amounts of substances will never change. So before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.